Hello, my little friends. I'm Ballerina Cappuccina. Welcome back to KidsMemSchool. Today, we're gonna learn about amazing vehicles. Are you ready? Let's go! What is this? Yes, it's a car. Vroom, vroom. What is this? Yes, it's a bus. Beep, beep. What is that? What is that? Yes, it's an airplane. Whoosh! What is that? Yes, it's a boat. Splish, splash. Wow, what is that? Yes, it's a rocket. Zoom. What's that? Yes, a bicycle. Ding, ding. What's that? Yes, a train. Choo-choo. What's that? Yes, a helicopter. Whir, whir. What's that? Yes, yes, a tractor. Vroom, vroom. What's that sound? Yes, a fire truck. Nina. What's that? Yes, a police car. Woohoo! What's that big one? Yes, a ship. Honk! What's that? Yes, a taxi. Beep, beep. What's that? Yes, a motorcycle. Vroom, vroom. What's that big one? Yes, a truck. Brrr. What's that? Yes, a scooter. Buzz. What's that going so fast? Yes, a speedboat. Whoosh! Wow! We learned so many vehicles today. Car, bus, airplane.